time period of pendulum. This was one of the doubt of a student. It is like this: take a pendulum. Now this pendulum is oscillating. A very small angle theta is created with respect to the vertical. Let us draw the free body diagram. This is mg. This will have, the force will have two components, mg cos theta and mg sin theta. Now this pendulum is oscillating in this fashion about this pivot point P. That means this force is creating a torque about P. So the torque about P is equal to mg sin theta into the length of the string, which is, let us say, L. If theta is very small, sin theta will be approximately equal to theta. So it is mgl into theta. This is our equation 1. But torque can also be obtained by the expression I. Torque is equal to I alpha. So equating these two, we get I alpha is equal to mgl theta. Now here this restoring force is acting in this direction, but the displacement is acting in this direction. So we can put here minus. It's a case of simple harmonic motion. Okay. Now alpha is equal to minus mgl by I into theta. This minus indicates opposite direction. I is the moment of inertia. So moment of inertia of this rotating mass is mr square m into distance square. The distance square is L square. So cancel out L and m. So we are getting here alpha is equal to minus g by L theta. So for a linear simple harmonic motion, A is proportional to minus x. For angular simple harmonic motion, alpha is proportional to minus theta, or alpha is equal to omega square theta minus. So we can say that with this equation 3 and 4, omega square is equal to g by L, or omega is equal to root over g by L. But omega is equal to 2 pi by t, root over g by L. That implies t is equal to 2 pi into root over L by g. So the time period of a pendulum depends upon the gravity and depends upon the length of the pendulum. So the g changes, t changes. Now there is a seconds pendulum. Seconds pendulum means whose time period is 2 seconds. If you put t is equal to 2 on earth, L value will come as 1 meter. Remember this value. Thank you.